In this video, I'll point you to the right direction to help you answer these questions. Should I buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Dogecoin? If not, what are the other cryptocurrencies I should consider buying? Welcome to Crypto Harvest again. Let's get started. Before we get into these questions, let's understand what is a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset which is encrypted and which cannot be counterfeited. And any crypto asset that you own can be transferred to anyone else in the world anonymously without a third party being involved. Third parties like banks or governments. It is extremely private and secure. But how is cryptocurrency different from other fiat currencies like INR, USD and Euros? Every one of us knows that fiat currencies are printed and are regulated by the government and are being printed rapidly or minted rapidly. This causes the value of the currency to go down as the time progresses. Contrary to the fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies are in limited supply, and most importantly, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies undergo a phase called as halving or coin burn. In simple terms, cryptocurrencies go through a phase where a portion of the cryptocurrencies are destroyed and the circulating supplies are reduced. This ensures that the cryptocurrencies are against inflation and the values definitely increased and appreciate over time. So if you're looking for an investment asset or an instrument that appreciates over year and are against inflation, cryptocurrencies are a great asset. So what are the parameters one should consider before investing in cryptocurrency? Number one, before buying a cryptocurrency or an asset, one has to study the charts and the price action and perform technical analysis. Technical analysis is done by studying the historic records and looking at the performance of the cryptos or stocks to determine and predict the upcoming price movements. And there are other instruments such as Fibonacci extensions, trend zones, which we will look into in the upcoming videos. Number two, any cryptocurrency is only good as its community rather than its real use case in this world. Take the example of Dogecoin, which gained traction and a lot of popularity recently through mainstream media and social media, and also from celebrities like Elon Musk. These cryptocurrencies have a good amount of people believing in them, and any cryptocurrency or asset functions based on demand and supply. Since it gained a lot of traction and a lot of interest from different people, the prices went high as the demand increased. Any cryptocurrency or asset functions based on demand and supply. In this case, there was a lot of demand in Dogecoin as a lot of people were interested to buy Dogecoin and the prices went higher. But does this mean Dogecoin is a great opportunity to invest in 2021? Not really. Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum have already increased thousands of percentage and have already crossed way beyond its all-time highs. But however, there are a lot of other cryptocurrencies which are laggers in the market, such as XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and so on. I have listed all of these cryptocurrencies below in the description. You can buy these cryptocurrencies from an Indian exchange called as WazirX. I have provided the link here. Please ensure to create an account if you already don't have. The third point is based on a famous quote by Warren Buffett, which says, "Be fearful when everyone else is greedy and be greedy when everyone else is fearful." One has a great opportunity to get into the market and buy when the market is low and when everyone is fearful. And by doing so, an investor buys the crypto or the stock at a low price and sells it once the market is euphoric or when the prices go up. And right now the market is euphoric. Most of the cryptocurrencies have reached its all-time high. It's a great time and a great opportunity to sell and take profits. However, we already saw there are few other cryptocurrencies which have great potential. So we will perform technical analysis on these cryptocurrencies to see the potential targets. I hope these inputs were helpful in guiding you in making the right decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just helping you and point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching.